Understanding School Campaign, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the term school campaign. Whether you're new to English or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's dive in and understand what a school campaign is all about. A school campaign refers to a series of organized activities or events within a school setting. These campaigns are often aimed at achieving specific goals, such as raising awareness about social issues, promoting school spirit, or supporting charitable causes. The key elements in understanding this term are organized activities and specific goals. School campaigns can vary widely in their nature and objectives. Here are a few common types. Awareness campaigns, focused on educating students about important issues like bullying, mental health, or environmental conservation. Fundraising campaigns, aimed at raising money for school resources, charities, or community projects. Election campaigns, where students campaign for positions in student government or other leadership roles. School campaigns are significant for several reasons. They promote student engagement, encouraging students to participate in school activities. Build community, fostering a sense of unity and teamwork among students. Develop skills, helping students learn valuable skills like leadership, organization, and communication. Participation in school campaigns can be both rewarding and educational. Here's how you can get involved. Volunteer. Offer your time and skills to support the campaign. Spread the word. Use social media or word of mouth to raise awareness about the campaign. Take on a leadership role. If you're interested, consider leading or organizing a part of the campaign. That's all about school campaigns. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what these campaigns entail and how they contribute positively to the school environment. Remember, participating in a school campaign can be a wonderful opportunity to learn, grow, and make a difference in your community. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning video.